Okay, this is a chain rubbing strip off my 2016 Triumph Tiger XRX Crystal White. And this is the rubbing strip. It's got 10,000 miles on it. This is what the top looks like. That looks pretty good right there. It's kind of wore down almost to nothing there. See if I can get it closer. Guess it doesn't do very good, but anyway, that's what that looks like. And it kind of goes, and the underneath side, which is right there, it's got some pretty good wear marks in there from the chain rubbing underneath. I don't know why underneath, but and it's pretty well wore down, almost flat right there. Just a millimeter or two rise right there. So, and then I'm gonna show you what the new one looks like here. And this is the new one I got, and as you can see, the rubbing strip up there is quite a bit higher. I'm going to measure that. And down there, underneath is, I mean, it's got a lot down there. Look at that. It's got quite a bit. I'm going to measure that medium. Okay, the old one on that far side has got 2 millimeters measurement, and this new one right here has got 4 millimeters measurement, which probably could go, I don't know, it's starting to wear pretty good right here, as you can see. Wearing real good there. The chain was catching it pretty good. It took a long, that's 10,000 miles. And on the underneath side, on the used one, I got nothing left. The fact is, the chain was scraping into the plastic right there, as you can see. Chain scraping into plastic pretty good right along there. And there's no ridge left right there. Over on the new one, we've got 4 millimeters of height right there. You can see where the chain was really digging in there. So I think it was time to change her.